I mean, I don't know how brave it was. I was just doing what the sign said.
There are lots of signs in the world. Not everyone's brave enough to follow them. The warriors of the Whispering Mountain call me the Stab Walker. The Air Titans of the East call me he who slashes like thunder. But you may call me Jack.
So cool.
So awesome to meet you. Love your shop.
Of course it is, and of course you do. Pleasure to have you in today. So, what can I do for you today? Desert Temple? Woodland Mansion? Whoa!
Yeah, that's what we're here about.
Wow, huh? Crazy glove you got there. Not that I've ever seen one before. Looks